Friuli!
Hello! Welcome at Snaidero Slicers. Here we are in Friuli, in Mels of Colloredo di Montalbano, and you are in the factory where the beautiful slicers for San Daniele ham are handmade. So let's see.
Let's see how it works. Look how nice that beauty is. Very special machine here. Wow, so cool. Let's try a slide. Oh, mamma mia. Oh.
Have you ever seen a so thin cut?
No, never.
That's delicious.
Amazing. Everything is starting with Mirko on the right side and with a bike. Moto Guzzi, Italy, yes. Karin, over to you.
Because my father started in 1981 restoring old Moto Guzzi motorbikes, and he restored the first motorbike that Moto Guzzi has made in 1921. And it's well known as the Normale number 51.
Wow, cool.
Yeah.
And here is Gary, Karin's brother.
Oh yes, Gary is now preparing the slicers. He's assembling them while they are in raw pieces to verify the maximum precision of the parts. And now you are seeing this is a working on a part of a slicer. You can see here the gears, so Gary is verifying the maximum precision of the movement of the slicer.
Look at this beauty, already sailed. It's going in Germany, yeah, Karin?
In Germany, yeah.
Germany, oh wow.
Yeah, Germany.
And look how Karin is organized. Wow, what do we have here?
Yes, here are different materials that we use to build our slicers. So you can see there is cast iron, copper, brass, stainless steel, and everything is organized, divided into the different materials. So first rule here is everything must be organized.
Wow. Karin is very proud about this lathe machine. Tell me a little bit about this lathe machine here.
Yeah, well, this is one of the oldest lathes of our workshop, and 2 years ago we decided to restore it, and so it's so beautiful as one of our slicers.
So cool. How Karin is starting his daily work.
Yes, these are the parts of some of the parts of this VDF slicer. And this slicer will be ready for end August and will be delivered in Chicago.
Wow, Chicago.
Yeah.
Karin, you taught me as well, you start at the beginning of the year and with the planning of machines.
Oh yeah, we start in January with 4 slicers, and they will be ready at end April. Then in May we start other 4 slicers and will be ready at end August, and the last ones will be ready at end December. So maximum 12 slicers in a year and 1 in a month.
Really? 1 in a month? It's like a very exclusive this thing, huh?
Yes, yes.
Wow.
Yes. To make the highest precision in mechanic and the highest quality in aesthetics, we need lots of work hours. So lots of work to make one exclusive slicer.
And Karin, in the meantime, is?
I am debarring a flywheel because, as you can see, when we receive the pieces from the foundry, they are not perfect. There are these imperfections that are normal from the foundry, but we need to perfection them. So the piece now must be smoothed. And so it's a very hard work, but somebody must do it.
Yes.
And I have to do it. So now, Daniele, you can see after 4 hours hard working, everything handmade, this flywheel is now ready.
4 hours, ladies and gentlemen. 4 hours, wow. So as you can see, crazy colors. Yeah, just comment and downstairs which color you like.
Oh yeah, what's your favorite? Mine is the fuchsia one.
Okay,
oh yeah,
fuchsia,
the pink
fuchsia
one.
Is good. Yeah, yeah.
In effect, my name is
Karin.
written in fuchsia.
Cool. Wow. Ciao Mirko.
Daniele, yeah, that's a beautiful.
Wow. This masterpiece. Wow. This is Friulano, by the way. Is it
Oh
dialect?
yeah, so look Daniele, what do you think about this color?
Wow, it's amazing.
Oh yeah.
Just to introduce shortly Mirko. Mirko is the dad
Oh yes,
of Karin.
he's my father. He started this workshop in the late 1981. At first restoring old motorbikes, old Moto Guzzi motorbikes, and then restoring old slicers, and now building new slicers, but unique pieces handmade in Friuli.
Just, I want to show you something what Mirko is doing with his hands. Look at this picture, and now look at this beauty here. Wow! Mirko, you are just a master. Grazie di esistere, Mirko. This is the final product, Karin.
Yes, so look at this marvelous slicer. This is our masterpiece, is the model VDF. This is inspired by a slicer model that was born 20 years before Berker's, the famous trademark. And has a wonderful swinging system. So look how sexy this machine is. Yeah.
It's incredible.
Yes, and this machine has about 400 pieces. So there is lots of work, but the result you can see is amazing.
Karin, let's taste a little bit of San Daniele, but you have as well a Prosecco glass here.
Oh
wow.
yes, now that you have seen everything about us, but you need to taste the real thin ham sliced by a Snaidero slicer.
Wow, that looks amazing. Just cut 1 or 2 slices and look, the glass is not moving.
Oh yes, this is the high precision of the slicer, so you can see from the wine that is not moving.
So Karin, thank you very much. And with that, Karin, thank you for hosting us.
Thanks to you for your visit, and you are welcome again when you are in Friuli.
Absolutely.
And thanks also from my father and my brother that are here.
Hey, both of you, masterpiece in the complete family. Salute!
Cheers, salute!
Ciao, ciao!
Ciao, grazie!